Watch. The world, it's not a plan. See it there. Hey, a franchise, the choosing one. The 10-star general. You know when I come for represent, you know it go already, you know. Full effecting, don't it? You know it go when I load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Hey, you know a loud explosion about ya. Watch this now, man. You know a Gaza favorite, don't it? You know the people's champion, right? You know the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. Watch. Hear me, man? Right about now, you know. I come to give Gaza nation, you know. A whole heap of thanks, you know. You see what I deal with? Because I see so support the thing to the fullest, you know. And the thing shut off, you know, and take off first class, you know. So here we are going, all Gaza nation, you know. Bless upon yourself for the support, you know. But here we are going. If I never teach, I tell me then now, oh, you see what I deal with? But here we are going. It's not done that I say in a Gaza nation. Because I need to go over Billboard, you know. And make them know, you know. Say the album supposed to go Grammy, you know. And I saw Billboard with Grammy. And I saw the album can get nominated for Grammy. We need to go over Billboard and make Billboard know that. And enough to stop stream the thing. You see what I deal with? Don't go think me say left for teacher do right now. I drop some more video with the song them on the album like Then You and Me. Some of them classic video there. And the album I go goal settings. Once teacher do that. You see what I say? But here we go on now Gaza nation. A two type of people you have in the world. You have positive people and negative people. You see what I deal with? So some of them is just like the minus sign. Remember, you know, what they know, them say Afrobeat, you know, take over, you know, and all them things there, you know, some different genre and music what them talk about, you know, and all them stuff there, you know. You see what I deal with? And for see the world boss drop an album as a dancehall artist and a create havoc over the world. And some people have problem with that. That means that them is not a fan of dancehall. And them is not a dancehall lover. Because first you have to be a dancehall lover first before you have an artist, you know. You see what I deal with? Because no one artist make up dancehall. You see it? So here we go on right about now. Them are talk about world boss have to collaborate with people and them things for Billboard. If Michael Jackson do it, Stevie Wonder them do it, Ray Charles them do it, the Commodores and Lionel Richie them do it. So what them talk about? Some of Jay-Z biggest song where them have a collaboration. So what them talk about? I don't understand what I say. And that's why I say you have to stay positive Gaza nation and can't roll amongst them negative people and mind them negative effect brush off on you. You see what I deal with? Because here we are going right about now. No? Remember, you know, the whole album of vybz kartel thing, you know, where I'm right, you know. And put on other artists on it, you know. I never talk about like international artists or some local artists. Some of them people not even acknowledge them to certain level when you talk about worldwide. You see what I deal with? And for no say the man can draw for a couple of artists where worldwide and everybody feature them and everybody listen to them music. And shut the album and the thing shut off first class. So big up Jada Kingdom because I see she come out and say, what? World Boss have me on my album, I go reach 2020. And I never lie, she tell it come like she smell it from afar. I love that because Sika rhyme there on it and a Billboard setting stream. You know what I mean? A good youth and me tell him say I'm gonna get paid for him work where him do. You see what I deal with? All when some boy did that talk about him, I just food boy where I carry food, go to prison for teacher and all them shit there. Look at him now. You know what I mean? Because anytime you call him name and you run up on the Billboard thing, you can't move it from there. So no joke thing. So big respect to the teacher. Big respect to all the Gaza nation. And I say the work not done yet. We have to stream this shit. And I say, you know, run go over Billboard and make Billboard know say Grammy settings. You see what I deal with? And, you know, at the end of the day, the album will get nominated for Grammy. Because so you do it. You see what I deal with? And Gaza Nation, the only thing I say teacher left to do right about now, I drop some more music video for the song them in the album. Some video just like Then You and Me. You see what I deal with? The video, it orchestrates to all the song build up. You see what I deal with? And the rest are history. I forgot goal settings. I don't know, joke thing. You know what I mean? So just drop some more video, World Boss, and blow up the hype some more. You see what I deal with? And the support as we go there, and from the video them drop classic like then You and Me. Everything shot. Everything. You know what I mean? Goal settings are more. You see what I deal with? And I can't stop say respect the Gaza Nation. You see what I deal with? Do not do it. You see me and a lollipop thing. And I say, these are the times where we not go hold up an argument with the negative people. You see what I deal with? Because it's a while now. You see, a dancehall artist, I dominate like that. You see what I deal with? So, I don't really want to hear no man tell me nothing. You see what I deal with? Because some other artists out there with big producer and them have big label behind them back. And them not go on with nothing unless them collaborate with international artists who are well be known already. Yeah, so I deal with it and nobody not say nothing about that. But I don't reason them way there, so I not go take away a man glory from him. So it don't really matter who you collaborate with. You see me from the thing shot and you can't take back that. Yeah, so I deal with, I don't reason them stupid way there. You see what I deal with, so I not go in an argument about them stuff there. You see what I say? Because I remember, you know, this girl in her name Queen Paula, you know, used to live on Spice, you know, and tell her say she a stage show artist, you know. You see what I did? I went vybz Kartel right ramping shop and called Spice and shot it and it hit the billboard, you know. She couldn't do nothing more than have to come on stage and say, hey, you have to give thanks to vybz Kartel because vybz Kartel turn you in an artist. Because you're no more stage show artist, you have billboard it. You see what I say? And this are the problem with certain artists. Them don't like share the glory. And them like it for themselves. And that's why enough of them so stagnant. You see what I deal with? vybz Kartel never run go for no international artists. All the billboard, it's them. Popcorn, Vanessa Bling, Spice, and look here now. Look here now. I'm happy for Jada Kingdom. You see what I deal with? Because she have a unique voice. And from your clock up billboard, other artists who want to work with you, you know what I mean? So I don't see say, you know, 2020, you know, is a glorious era in Gaza Nation. What? The 10-star one, you know. The chosen one, you know. Hey, yo.